Hello, viewers. I will be sharing to you the very beautiful thing that I miss when it's winter, and it's my beautiful garden. I have this rock garden, and it's just so beautiful. All the flowers that I have are of different colors. I will not just say the name of them because they are in Swedish and I don't know the name in English. Anyway, you don't only see flowers in my garden, but also like salads. I mix it up. I just plant what I think is can be useful. So I don't only have flowers in my garden. I have my salads and other vegetables that I like, and I just like this kind of way of mixing up things, and it's not boring to look. It's just so natural that they are mixed up and they grow there. So I have some berries too. This one is called here like bear, which is like wine berries. They're kind of sour. And tulips are one of my favorites, so I always want to have it in my garden. This one we call it here rhododendron, and this one actually is a wildflower. Another tulip again. And this flower, I don't know, I forgot the name, but I just love them. They grow every after, even it's in winter, and when it's summer again, it grows again. I also have potatoes in this area. You can see like flowers, but around them, I also put potatoes, tomatoes, and this is my harvest. And I just love mixing them up as what I said. So it's just so nice. So waking up in the morning, going to the garden, and here is my squash, and seeing them ripening, picking them up. I have a cucumber, and they are just all mixed up, planted in my flower garden too. And I love tomatoes, so I usually plant different types of tomatoes. This is a small harvest I did. So I have these tomatoes. They are actually from Holland, the seeds. And this bush, they can really grow very big and they can really bear a lot of flowers. And I just love having them because they grow and grow every after winter. When it became summer again, they grow again. They don't die. And the tulips, yeah, you have to pick up the tubes of them. So these kind of flowers are growing from time to time. It will come back. They look like dead when it's winter, but then when the spring comes, they start to grow, and when it's summer, then it will have a full grown flowers, and I just love them. If you think my garden is nice, then like it and subscribe. Thank you so much.